So as you look at shares of Boeing under pressure pre-market, let's see if that ends up being that way today. A couple of reasons why. You've got Citi downgrading the stock to a neutral today, and then there's a Chinese leasing firm that has cut its order for the 737 MAX by 29. They're still going to be taking a number of MAXes, but bringing back its order by 29. And as you take a look at shares of Boeing, it has moved back higher in the last week compared to where it was in the middle of last week. Keep in mind that, yes, commercial production is beginning today out in the Seattle area. It was shut down essentially for a month when we're talking about the wide-body line. But when you look at Boeing and Airbus, both of these companies are in the midst of saying, okay, what's our production rate going to be going forward? How many planes do we expect to deliver? Remember, Boeing delivered just 50 planes in the first quarter. Whether or not they can increase that production in the second quarter remains to be seen. Many believe that Boeing will follow the lead of Airbus, which is cutting its commercial production by a third. Another note regarding Boeing and Airbus and the airlines, and this one comes from United. United is selling 22 of its planes to an Asian leasing firm. Now, this is a sale leaseback. So essentially what's happening here is United is selling its commitment on these future aircraft. Then it's going to lease them back from this firm. It is scheduled to cut its schedule in May by 90%. This is what we're going to see from all the airlines. How can we adjust? How can we bring back our commitments in terms of future aircraft? One other thing, guys, this week we are going to get some earnings reports. We are likely going to hear from Delta as well as Southwest. That's on the docket. And what everybody's going to be focused on with these airline earnings is how great is the loss and what's the outlook. And that's what we're going to be focused on this week.